Have you ever started a new exercise routine or healthy habit like walking, muscle training, or eating healthier, only to find your motivation dwindling after a few weeks or a few days? Research shows that 50% of people quit their workout routine within 6 months of joining a gym. Common reasons include lack of time, high gym fees, low confidence, feeling not sporty enough, and a dislike of intense workouts. Deep down, we all know that embarking on a wellness journey is a life-changing decision that can bring transformative experiences. That's why we feel super motivated and excited when starting a new workout routine or healthy habit. But after a week or two, that motivation can start to wane. We tell ourselves, maybe not today, it's not worth the money, or I have so much else to do. Staying motivated is often the hardest part of any wellness journey, but it doesn't have to be. In today's video, we'll explore practical tips and strategies to keep you stay motivated and help you stay on track. The truth is, you don't need to spend a lot of money or hours to maintain healthy habits. All you need is a clear goal and mindset, a system and consistency, and a bit of fun to keep the motivation going. After this video, you'll be well equipped towards your goal. Let's get started. First, let's imagine we're trying to hit a goal which seems so far away. However, each step on the staircase represents a solid step toward our goal. The first step is goal and mindset, to set a clear goal and adopt the right mindset for success. The second step is system and consistency, establishing a system for consistent progress. The third step is balance and fun, to find peace within ourselves and those around us while rewarding our progress and keeping the journey enjoyable. Step 1. Goal and mindset. Goal setting starts with identifying your big goal. A big goal is your desired state, not actions. For example, if you say you want to go to the gym every day, ask yourself why. Maybe it's to build muscle and improve flexibility. That's great. But why do you want more muscle and flexibility? It might be because you want to stay active and independent as you age, so you can travel with your family and enjoy activities you love without physical limitations. That's your big goal. Knowing your big goal is crucial because it's a deep motivator when things get tough. To find your big goal, ask yourself why, then why again until you find your dream state. Your big goal doesn't need to impress others. It can be small, but it needs to impress and convince you so that you can work towards it. Once you've identified your big goal, the next step is to set sub-goals. Sub-goals are the specific actions or processes needed to achieve your main objective. Break down your big goal into manageable steps, ensuring each is specific, measurable, and realistic. For example, if your goal is to stay active so you can travel the world after retirement, what do you need besides just saving money? You need to maintain both physical and mental fitness. How can you achieve that? One approach is to regularly exercise at the gym and follow a healthy diet. Let's focus on your gym routine and add some details to make it specific, measurable, and realistic. Commit to going to the gym on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 times a week after work. The key is knowing exactly what you need to do and when, so you can clearly track your progress and see if you're meeting your sub-goals. Now let's talk about mindset to keep you motivated. When you decide to make positive changes for your health, the biggest challenge you'll face is often yourself. You may procrastinate or make excuses. The key to overcoming this is to change your mindset and stop overthinking. Remember the saying, the hardest part of going to the gym is going to the gym. You might worry about which class to join, what to wear, or what to do when you get there, but none of that really matters. Just start. Forming a habit starts with a clear plan and commitment to follow through. It's not about motivation. It's about creating a step-by-step process that makes it easier to stick to your fitness goals. For a motivated mindset, try using positive self-talk. Research shows that positive self-talk can boost self-confidence and overall life satisfaction. When you're feeling upbeat and confident, it becomes much easier to adopt new healthy habits because you're more inclined to believe in your ability to succeed. A similar study found that after exercising, people are more likely to make healthier food choices because they don't want to undo their hard work. They feel more motivated to maintain their healthy habits. Positive self-talk can boost motivation by shifting your mindset. If you think, "I'm too tired to work out," try reframing it as, "I'll feel great after exercise." Instead of saying, "I'm not good at this," tell yourself, "I'm learning and improving every day." These small shifts in your internal dialogue can make a big difference. Thinking positively is also a habit. So if you're not used to it, it may feel odd and fake even, but over time, it's going to be your new habit and that's going to be your new standard. To boost your motivation, you can remember your why. Remembering why you started this journey can help keep you on track, especially when you face challenges. Your why is your anchor to reignite your motivation and to stay focused on your goal. When you're not feeling your best, you can get inspiration from others. Look to your active friends, family, or even your favorite YouTuber or athlete for inspiration. Watching someone you admire maintain their wellness routine can motivate you to do the same. When you see your favorite athlete's workout routine or meal prep, you might think, "What would they do?" and use that as a booster when you're not feeling your best. My favorite inspiration is the Men's Health channel. Watching actors and athletes showing their fridge and gym routines makes me just so excited and inspired. What is your favorite inspiration? Share us in the comments. This journey is yours, so focus on enjoying the process and being kind to yourself. Lasting change takes time, and finding joy along the way helps form strong habits. It's normal to slip back into old habits sometimes. What matters is sticking to your plan, enjoying the process, and trusting that results will come. Celebrate small victories like completing a week of workouts and incorporate things you love into your routine, like walking in nature. If you miss a workout or have an off day, it's totally okay. Don't be too hard on yourself. It happens. Recognize that setbacks are part of the process and refocus on your goals with renewed energy. Step 2. System and consistency. Once you've set your big goal and identified the necessary actions, it's crucial to integrate these into your daily routine. Creating a system helps maintain consistency. Plan your week. Outline a weekly plan to streamline your activities, removing the guesswork about what to do and when. For example, decide in advance when you'll go to the gym. Your plan doesn't need to be perfect. Adjust as needed to fit your schedule. Here are some tips for success. Start small. Begin with manageable steps to build momentum and a sense of accomplishment. For example, start a running habit by just putting on your running shoes and gradually increasing activity. Step outside and then walk for 5 minutes. Start with something too easy to make small yet solid progress, giving yourself a sense of accomplishment and building momentum. Link to existing habits. Pair new habits with established ones, like doing squats right after brushing your teeth, to make the transition smoother. Use if-then planning. This involves setting specific triggers and actions, like if I finish work at 6 p.m., I will go to the gym at 6:30 p.m. to increase adherence to your routine. Studies show that this method increases the likelihood of sticking to your plan. Have a backup plan. Be prepared for unexpected changes. If your primary plan doesn't work, have a secondary option ready, such as planning to work out the next morning if you miss an evening session. This flexibility reduces stress and keeps you on track. Tracking and reflection. Track your progress. Monitor your activities to see how far you've come and pinpoint areas for improvement. Research shows that tracking progress makes it easier to gauge success and stay focused. Be honest about your habits. If you miss a workout or indulge in an unhealthy meal, it's okay. Record missed workouts or indulgent meals to find realistic ways to improve. Use journals, apps, or checklists for simple and consistent tracking. Reflect regularly. Take time to assess what's working and what isn't. Reflection helps identify strengths and areas needing adjustment, keeping you aligned with your goals. It's about learning from the past and planning for the future. Reassess goals. As life changes, your goals may need to adapt. Regularly review and adjust them to ensure they stay relevant and achievable. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledging achievements, no matter how small, helps maintain motivation and prevents burnout. Simple rewards or recognition can make a big difference in keeping you on track. Step 3. Balance and enjoyment. After setting goals and routines, it's essential to maintain them by finding balance and support from yourself and others while rewarding your progress. Support and accountability. Building new habits is tough, but having social support can make a huge difference. Saying, "I'm trying to quit smoking" versus "I'm not a smoker" highlights the power of mindset. When you're trying, support from friends and family becomes crucial. Research shows that friends and family can significantly aid those adopting healthier habits, positively or negatively influencing your choices. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals boosts motivation, like having a cheering crowd at your home game. Here's how to find your support network. Find a workout buddy. A workout partner makes exercise more enjoyable and keeps you accountable. Knowing someone expects you can motivate you even when you don't feel like it. Share your goals. Letting friends and family know your goals creates a supportive network, increasing accountability and motivation. Join group activities. Engaging in group workouts or classes builds a community that supports and motivates you to stay committed. Find a mentor or coach. A mentor or coach provides guidance and encouragement, helping you set realistic goals and stay on track. Self-care and well-being. While support from others is important, taking care of yourself is essential for maintaining motivation and focus. When you feel good physically and mentally, it's easier to stick to new healthy habits. Here are some tips to keep your body and mind in top shape. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep helps you stay clear-headed and in a good mood, which makes it easier to maintain healthy habits. Lack of sleep can lower motivation and increase stress. Stay hydrated and eat balanced meals. Proper hydration and nutrition are key to overall well-being, providing the energy and nutrients needed for your fitness goals. Practice self-care. Engage in activities that nurture your mental and physical health. Self-care boosts confidence and positivity, which can inspire those around you. Activities like reading, meditating, or enjoying hobbies can enhance your well-being and create a supportive environment. Be prepared for setbacks and take a break to start fresh. Setbacks are a normal part of any journey. By expecting them, you're better prepared to bounce back. Reflect on what happened, take a break if needed, and then return with renewed motivation. Remember, sometimes a short pause is all you need to reset and start fresh with a clear mindset. By focusing on self-care and well-being, you build a strong foundation for your wellness journey, helping you stay motivated and resilient. Variety and enjoyment. When you first start a new fitness routine or eat healthier, the novelty can be exciting. But after a while, the excitement may fade and boredom can set in. To keep the momentum going, It's essential to make your healthy habits enjoyable and varied. Find something you enjoy. Sticking to an exercise routine is easier when you genuinely enjoy the activities. Whether it's dancing, hiking, swimming, or playing a sport, choose what makes you happy. Enjoyable activities feel less like a chore and more like fun, increasing the likelihood of consistency. Studies show that people who enjoy their workouts are more likely to maintain a regular exercise habit. Choose activities that bring joy and satisfaction to keep you motivated. Introduce variety to your routine. Changing up your workout routine keeps things interesting and prevents boredom. Trying different exercises helps you discover what you enjoy most, keeps you engaged, and promotes a lifelong commitment to fitness. For example, alternate between cardio, strength training, yoga, and outdoor activities. This not only makes workouts fun, but also targets different muscle groups and improves overall fitness. Try new things. Adding new activities or exercises can bring a sense of adventure to your routine. Try new sports, fitness classes, or a healthy recipe to keep your wellness journey fresh and exciting. Rewards and positivity. You've made great progress on your wellness journey, so now it's time to reward yourself and focus on positivity. Celebrating achievements and maintaining a positive mindset can boost your motivation and commitment. Reward yourself. Recognize every achievement, no matter how small. Rewards can motivate you to keep going and reinforce good habits. Remember, every step forward counts. Feel good about yourself. Take pride in your progress, no matter the size. Acknowledge your successes to build confidence and a positive self-image. Craft a motivational playlist. Boost your motivation by creating a playlist of your favorite songs. Music can make workouts more enjoyable and help you stay consistent with your routine. Celebrate each day's journey. Practice gratitude daily and celebrate your efforts. Reflecting on your progress fosters a positive mindset and keeps you motivated. Celebrate every step you take towards a better health. Research shows that a positive mindset, including optimism and life satisfaction, is linked to better physical health. A positive outlook not only boosts mental health but also enhances physical well-being. Physical and mental fitness go hand in hand. When you feel good mentally, your physical fitness improves, and when your physical fitness is in good shape, you feel better about yourself. Once you're on a positive path, you become unstoppable. Remember, the only bad workout is the one that didn't happen. Stay committed, keep pushing forward, and celebrate every step of your journey. You've got this. I hope you found these tips supportive and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips to make your life a little better. What's your favorite way to stay motivated on your wellness journey? Share your experiences in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you next time.